So do a slide, play the open D and G and then an A power chord. Then do the A string 5, slide to 7. D, open, hammer onto 7, hammer onto 9. Back to 7. Then play the open D and G with an up and then an A power chord, down, up, down. Go back to the A, 5, slide to 7. D, open, hammer onto 7, hammer onto 9, back to 7. Then do a bend and release on the 9 on the D. Back to 7, open, D and G. Then we're going back to the first riff, we're just leaving it at the open D and G. So A, and our little lick again, 5, slide to 7, open 7, 9, 7. Now this time play the open D and G, 1, 2, 3, and then the A chords. So you can do an up, down, and our lick again, 5, slide to 7, D, open 7, 9, 7, 9, bend and release, 7, back to open D and G, and you can keep repeating that riff. And to finish off, we go to this F chord. We're going to play 3 on the D, 5 on the G, 6 on the B 4 times, and you can just play the F if you want. And then we have in G, open D, open G, first fret on the B, and then to a C power chord there. And that's the lick there. Let's try it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.